Mason, let me see your face. Mason. 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 Mason, let me see your face. Mason. 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 Mason Dixon. Mason Dixon. Oh, look at his little tail wagging me. Oh. Mason. There's my little Mason. Who's that, Butler? Hi. Hi, my little guys. Ooh, look at you guys all shivering, all gorged. These are the three that are most active right now. Have great personalities. Yep. That face. Oh my dinner. Oh my dinner. Pitbull Puppies to the rescue. Yes, they are. Oh, patches. 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 You see your face, Patches. 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 Oh, look at for the camera. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, jeez. Jeez. There's Mason Dixon. Mason's all right. Mason. Okay. You're all right, baby. All right. Oh. Don't you cry. Let me see that face. Oh, jeez. Very cute. Let me see that face. Come here, let me see. Oh, jeez. Oh. Let me see that face. Oh, jeez. Very cute. Let me see that face. Oh, look at that. Don't you give me away from my food. I'll kick it away. There we go. Look at them. They're all fat and engorged. Oh, yeah. Looking for their mommy's teeth. No. You're all right. You're all right. He's the biggest puppy we got. He's a survivor, that's for damn sure. And look at that face. Oh my goodness. They're two very similar brothers. This one and this one. Does stripe, the other one don't. Now I call Snoop right here. Snoop Dogg. Snoopy. These are the babies. Very mild out of all the litter. This one here. And this one there. Very, very cute. Very, very mild. Curious cat? Yeah? Not like Mason over there. Or Patches. He's the boy. Those one too are very friendly. Wow. These are the babies of the family right there. As you can tell, they're the babies. Jeez. Pettis. Pettis. Oh. Hey, you. Look over here. Hey, you. Look over here.